Hello and welcome back to the Bull and Bear Invest channel. Today is Friday the 30th of April 2021 and this is our watchlist review. In today's presentation we take a look into ECR Minerals, Eurasia Mining, Greatland Gold and Rambler Metals and Mining. As mentioned in this week's introductory video of ECR Minerals, we have found the article from Tiger International Resources dated the 18th of February 2021. The link to this article can be found in the description below. The article alleges that Cordillera Tiger trustee members committed bribery to convey shares and used the votes acquired to appoint his board to unlawfully seize control of the subsidiary. The court apparently specifically instructed that no shares in Cordillera are to be issued to ECR Minerals. ECR believes that the news release makes a number of inaccurate claims regarding Cordillera Tiger and the circumstances surrounding the court case and the outcome of the case itself. The company's understanding is the fact that neither Tiger International nor Mr. Patrick Barry, who is Tiger International's president, control Cordillera Tiger or have any legal means in doing so. The article also explains that at the time of writing, the Philippines has an anti-mining administration. We know that the mining ban in the Philippines has caused an influx of unemployment and significant economic difficulties. As of April 14, 2021, the Philippine president signed an order lifting this mining ban, which also allows the submission and granting of new mining applications. With mining returning to the region, we can hope that some attention will be given to finally resolve the ongoing dispute and issue the 25% shareholding of Cordillera Tiger to ECR Minerals. Now for a whistle-stop look at Eurasia Mining. Significant snow melting can be observed from satellite images, and the melting of the snow proves that the ground is thawing. What some investors may not realise is that Russia is prone to a condition called permafrost. Permafrost is a thick layer of frozen grounds that remains below freezing for periods of the year, and whilst the ground is in this condition, mining is near enough impossible. With evidence to suggest that mining efforts can commence at full scale, we anticipate mining progress related updates imminently, specifically regarding the works accomplished over the winter months. We anticipate delays in works caused by the COVID-19 restrictions in Russia, and this RNS may provide the opportunity to dilute any negative news prior to the update on the formal sale process. In the general meeting results, Eurasia confirmed that they will be providing an update on Monchi Tundra, West Kitlim and other Eurasia matters as soon as practicable, and that an update regarding the formal sale process will also be provided as and when it is appropriate. Eurasia is also due to announce the arrangements for the annual general meeting in 2021 by the end of June 2021. Any further details obtained will of course be shared with our viewers, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and set your alerts up so you don't miss out on the news that we've all been waiting for. Greatland Gold provided us with two major regulatory news service announcements this week. Firstly, Greatland provided an updated corporate presentation for April. Their presentation explores the reasoning behind the box cut and decline and helpfully provides this diagram to aid those who are not familiar with the mining industry as to how exactly it's intended to function. The box cut and decline will allow access down 400 metres from ground level to the breccia pipe structure, which is where the copper-gold mineralisation has been identified. This structure extends in excess of 1,300 metres and remains open laterally, and previous drilling intercepts have shown significant results consistently with this structure. We have included a link to Greatland Gold's corporate presentation in the description below. Secondly, Greatland Gold share the results of the growth drilling programme, which further supports the potential for extensions at the Havieron gold-copper mineralisation system. The latest drill efforts provide a combined total of 158,663 metres of drilling from 183 holes. Assay results from 4 new drill holes from the growth drilling programme have been received, and Greatland confirmed that all holes intersecting significant mineralisation. The recent assay results suggest resource expansions within and around the North Breccia and below the inferred mineral resource estimate in the southeast crescent zone and the adjacent breccia zones. As a result of stringent testing, new targets outside the immediate vicinity of the Havieron deposit but within the Havieron joint venture area have been identified. Greatland have penciled the potential to conduct test drilling within these sites. Within the RNS, Greatland also confirmed that the box cut and surface works are nearing completion, with the remainder of the early work schedule advancing. with the portal establishment commencing in the next few weeks. Currently, all drill rigs are operational in the growth drilling program with a focus on the northwest crescent, northern breccia zone and the depth extensions to the southeast crescent and breccia. Drill testing and interpretation of the geological and mineralization controls of the eastern breccia zone is ongoing. With these further exploration efforts, Greatland Gold have a string of results to provide in the not-so-distant future. Rambler Metals and Mining announced its business objectives in the end-of-year results, which were released on the 27th of April 2021. These objectives are what Rambler intends to achieve throughout this year and the near future, which include performing all its activities in such a way that no harm is caused to people, the environment or the community. To establish the Ming mine to a level of production that fully utilises the existing mill capacity of 1,350 tonnes per day, with a target of an average feed grade of 2% copper. Advancing the underground development to prepare for an increase of underground production to 2,000 tonnes per day in 2022, whilst completing a feasibility study and implementation of an ore sorting facility at the Ming mine site for operation in 2022. Rambler also wished to commence the relocation of the Duck Pond mill to the Ming mine site and initiate a feasibility study for the establishment of a new process and tailings storage facility for the next 4 to 5 years. We already know that Rambler are on course to achieve the 1,350 tonnes per day target at Ming mine, as this was confirmed in recent correspondence with Tim Sanford, the Vice President and Corporate Secretary of Rambler Metals and Mining. We also believe that Rambler intend on reviving the Little Deer mine. This additional resource will most certainly contribute, if not exceed, the 2,000 tonnes per day they expect to create in 2022. The timing of the end-of-year results differs from last year, as we still await the first quarter results. It could be speculated that Rambler intend on impacting the share price with the lower production rates prior to the Q1 results, which due to lifting of COVID-19 restrictions was able to be ramped up to near normal rates. Furthermore, Rambler have announced the annual general meeting will be held at 12 noon on the 26th of May 2021. During this meeting, Rambler intend on passing a resolution to consolidate the company's ordinary share capital, whereby every 100 shares of 0.01 pence each will be consolidated into one 1 pence share. Subscribe to the Bull and Bear Invest channel today and stay informed with weekly watchlist reviews, in-depth research and understanding the stock market videos, with more content being uploaded each week.